I'm going to show you how to make some JK mirrors out of $11 bicycle mirrors from Canadian Tire. Bear with me. First, take the mirror, put it in the vise. If you want, you can put some cardboard around it so you don't scratch it. Not that it really matters, scratches or not. They're $11, so I mean, you get what you pay for. You get that in there. Most people won't have a tap and a drill fit to match. Essentially, all you're going to do is drill down the center. I don't know if you can see that. Drill down the center of the threaded area. Smaller, obviously, so we can thread it to a little bolt that looks like that. Drill it down a little bit. Have a look, see how deep it is. Make sure it's not too deep. I mean, you could use cutting oil, shit like that, but I don't have patience for that. Even though it's like almost an arm's reach. My video. Drill down a little bit more. Let's get at least half dozen threads in there. Then you take your tap and run your tap down. Just kind of make sure it's half straight as you're going in. And you turn it a couple times. Turn it back to break the threads that you just cut. And do that a bunch of times. And remember how far down you actually cut the hole, because you don't want to end up forcing the guard out of it. And then when he gets it down close enough, you'll feel it starting to tension up as you're going in. I'll try there, have a look. That's pretty much at the bottom. Knock the junk out of it. Not really sure if you can see that. Essentially now you can screw this screw into it, like so. And in this case, and take off the secondary nut it comes with. Toss that aside. The washer, and the bolt. And that's it. Let me just slide them in to the top hinge. Hard to do with one hand. And this is screwed into the hole that we just drilled. It's going to be upside down every video. And just people do this. Snug this up just enough to be tight that it doesn't back out. There you go. Got that. And then with the Canadian Tire $11 chummies. Oh, here comes.
Explain what you're doing there now, Fred.
So then I'm just adjusting this top nut down, which is great about the $11 Canadian Tire jobbies. So it doesn't really move easy. I mean, don't want to strip it out, but tight enough that it doesn't move in the wind, or Alicia gets in there with her big old Jesus honking purse and knocks the mirror and the door off it. And that's it. Then you just gotta, I mean, you can see much of that one, but at least
Now,
it
boy.
passed. At least it'll possibly keep the po-po off your case.
I passed the popo.
Did you?
Mm.
I had a po-po this morning. Oh, that's a different po-po.
Oh, excuse me, I just... Sorry, spit all over your bone.
I need to get a washer for this side.
Some rusty, Fred.
You're rusty.
Or is that rust? No, that's orange goo. Did I hear a woodpecker?
Yes, it's a woodpecker there.
That is a woodpecker. You're a woodpecker.
Just noticed on this side, when you put it in there, if you got those Delrin type plastic replacement, we'll call them chummies, can't remember the name of them, you're going to need a washer because it started to cut in with the top nut. So I just put a washer on it so the sandwiches all properly sandwich it. And that's it. Then you'll have mirrors, which is perfect.